Everybody. Yeah, I've been asked a few times to do a quick little video on the build of my trailer. I've done one video on YouTube, which was just a bunch of pictures of the build, but I figured I'd do a quick walkthrough video and show you what the kind of the finished thing looks like. So this is a 6-foot by 12-foot Interstate LoadRunner single axle trailer. I put the windows in it. I got them out of a wrecked RV from a wrecking yard. There's 3 of them, 2 on this side and 1 around over on this side. I got them out of a wrecked RV from a wrecking yard. I got all 3 of them for 140 bucks, which I didn't think was a bad deal. The graphics on the side I got from eBay, and they were they were $85 for both sides. I just had to do a little bit of modifications to make them fit on here because they were supposed to be for like a 20-foot RV. On the top, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've got 3 solar panels from Harbor Freight. On the front of the trailer, I put a little storage box that has the battery in there. Keep a battery charger in there, and extension cords, things like that I need when I get to where I'm going. I've got these solar powered lights, solar powered motion lights. They also will just go on and off, so if I'm traveling at night and I don't want them to go on, I can turn them off. And I've got one on each side of the trailer. Going inside the trailer, on the outside, or on that door there, I've got a waste basket, so when you're inside, I didn't really have a spot to put it, and usually our door's open when we're camping somewhere, so it works good for when we're out. So, microwave up top, cabinets, small little Keurig, sink, refrigerator, solar charger, and a power strip. Cabinet down below here. You open up the back doors and get some more light inside. Now here's the inside. TV's mounted on this back door. It's a 32-inch smart TV, so if we're inside we can watch it inside. If we want to keep the doors open and put our lawn chairs out back, we can watch a movie out back here. Got the futon for our bed, and I didn't want anything permanent just in case I need to pull it out and do some hauling, so it's easy to pull in and out. Outside table if we need one. And here's the bathroom. It's basically just porta potty. I'm gonna put a curtain rod or a rod up there so we can also hang clothes in here. Either this year, late this year, maybe next year's project is I'm gonna fiberglass in a shower pan and build the lip up at the front door here and seal it all off inside and put a shower in here. But that'll be probably next year's project. Here's looking back. Cabinets. So I just built everything from scratch. I didn't pay anybody to do anything. I'm not a carpenter, but everything pretty much turned out okay as far as I'm concerned. Got a fantastic fan up above. I bought that off of eBay for, I think it was 29 bucks. I think it was 36 bucks with shipping and everything. And it was an old one out of someone else's RV, and the switch didn't work. So I took the fan to my Napa store, and we decided that a switch from a, I don't know, it's like a wiper switch from a 70-something Chevy pickup or something, actually worked great for it. It's a two-stage wiper motor switch. So it, you know, two-stage fan, and it does a lot for the keeping the cold air out. Did I say cold air out? I meant the hot air out. So we just keep it running. It doesn't put a very big draw on the battery at all. Solar charger. Down below here is the 12-volt fuse box, and my water pump is down there back behind these boxes. The water tank, inverter is back there along with another power strip. It's a 1500 watt pure sine inverter. On-demand water. Got a bunch of different LED lights. I got these at Costco. Let's see. So they do the white color. A couple of them are burnt out. But they also do the reds, and so just adds a little something in here at night. So I got 4 or 5 of those along the ceiling. I got a couple of them underneath here. Got a couple in the cabinets. Got a little 12-volt fan for in here as well, just to blow air on us. Kind of comes in handy. Little propane heater if we're out roughing it. I also keep a little electric heater up in the cupboard here when we're hooked to power. Usually run everything off of shore power at a campground or wherever we're going, but if not, like I said, I have the solar panels up on top, and we can dry camp for a few days with those. Or I have a 2500 watt generator that we bring along with us as well, so it usually is just plenty for us. Well, anyway, I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough. This is unedited. It's kind of a stupid short video, but a lot of people wanted to see a quick walkthrough. So if you have any questions, just give me a comment. So talk to you later.